This is Yamaha R1. How to fix the seal leaking. So I remove the front guard. So the best what you can do, so you can leave it leaking. So here like this seal body. This is some different company, but I'm sure you can find something similar, like, you know, just fork little, or can make yourself if you have to. So we're gonna try to remove gentle the dust seal. There you go. You can see it's definitely leaking. Wipe to clean this stuff. Yo, and by the way, I will show you how this works. You have two seals here, one inside and one dust, one oil. So this little piece you squeeze under. Make sure you squeeze all the way to go through. There you go. There you go. You go through, and you just keep spinning around, like a plastic or fork, and all dust gonna collect there, you know. And then you popped, and everything. Oh, see, little oil was on. Everything, some rubbish, not gonna come out. That's why, because oil leaking is rubbish there, you know, something, probably some dust, derby or something like that. There you go. A few times, nothing there. Some old oil. There you go. So we're gonna squeeze in. There you go. The oil coming. It's okay. And let's slowly spin around. And that's why we're gonna remove all dirt or something what's stuck under there. There you go. Can you find something? Not really. And now let's clean. If you have something to spray, like, you know, you have special fork spraying, but if you don't have, spray something what's drying, you know. I just will leave it this one, and then we're gonna annoying when it starts leaking, you know. Yesterday I drive, and I saw like some kind of wetness, you know. I thought, what the heck? And really looks like the oil leaking from forks. Of course, it's not 100% gonna fix, but if it stops leaking, it usually does. No, for me, does that over time. Just keep cleaning, and pumping the fork to notice when it's not gonna leak, you know. It should stop completely. That's the process. Keep pumping maybe 20 times, 25 times, and it should stop leaking now. If it still keep leaking, just go one more time around, you know, and then maybe, you know, stop leaking. If not, you need new seals. So, and after quite a while, like 20 times, that's it, disappeared now. So one time I got one time around this, and you spray something drying, you know, like something what is dry, not oily. When you spray, cleans and dry now. You should be. I don't have this time, but we have like special suspension, you know, cleaning on. There you go. No, if that one not gonna help you, so you need new seals, you know. And it's just gonna clean this one. Just make sure nothing under, and back to road. See you later, guys.